Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here today. Today we have Look Fantastic. And I know you're thinking to yourself, because you're thinking all the time, aren't you? That's not a box. No, it's a cool travel bag. So let's get into it and see what we've got. Much to my surprise, because both GlossyBox and Look Fantastic come in outer boxes that hold their inner boxes, which always keeps them so safe. I love it because I use them for storage. But this month, when I opened the outer box, this was inside. So instead of having a box this month to hold our goodies, we have a really cute travel bag that on the back even says, oh, I hope I can get that, Look Fantastic Beauty Box. And it's just kind of a leather looking pearlish color, and then the front, so you can see exactly what you're taking, is see-through. We have our booklet that not only tells us about everything that's on the inside, but Look Fantastic is an online beauty store, kind of like a Sephora or an Ulta, and they always tell us more about more products in these books. They always have the best information. I have really good luck with a lot of the brands that come in the Look Fantastic. For some reason, I say the same thing with GlossyBox. The brands that come from the UK just always work really well for me. This is the July box, and if you have any interest, I will put my link and code below, and you will get the first box in your subscription for $1 if you sign up for a year. And the beauty of signing up for a year with Look Fantastic also is that you pay month to month. So you're signing up, you're committing to the year, but you're only paying month to month. It is $16 a month if you sign up annually. It is $19 if you pay month to month. So you will get your first box for $1, and then the rest will be $16. And this was sent to me free for review from Look Fantastic. So we just open it up, and we're gonna get in here and see what all these nice goodies are. We have to put our glasses on because you guys know I just can't see anything without them. It says that this is the Beauty Edit Wanderlust, a strong desire to travel, discover, learn, and inspire. Okay, well, reaching in, I have a Starskin VIP 7-second luxury all-day mask. Oh, she's got it on her little fingers. That's interesting. Have you guys tried this? Let me know below if you've tried this before. The paperwork says, a miracle 7-step skincare regime in one handy pad that combines Starskin's famous 7-second morning and overnight masks. This double-sided cleansing pad, interesting, works to hydrate and refresh your complexion as it cleans for quick but effective skincare. And its call-out ingredients are glycerin, niacinamide, grapeseed extract, and berry seed extract. It says massage the textured side of the pad all over your face. Flip it over and complete your skincare step by swiping the smooth side across the skin. Follow with your serums and moisturizers of choice. That is so cool, right? Instead of having to sit there for 20 minutes, you're just whoop, and then moving on with your day. Aw, disappointment and sadness. It has licorice root in it. Still a fantastic product. I totally wish I could use it, but I'm gonna set it aside because I'm allergic to licorice root. Okay, next out we have Cucumber Soothe and Moisturize Face and Body Tan Mist. I'm so glad I saw that tan, because when I first saw this, I started to be like, it's tanning, and it says it's hydrating gradual glow, and that is what it looks like. It seems kind of small, but if you're not doing your entire body, I bet you would get a lot of use out of it. It's 1 ounce, and the paperwork says it's a refreshing face and body spray, which acts as a gradual tanner to give you a bronzy glow this summer with a lightweight formula that is instantly absorbed and zero fake tan smell. This gradual tanner is suitable for face and body, and it's perfect for a golden glow. And it has cucumber, citric acid, jojoba oil, and macadamia seed oil. I can't even spray this so that we can smell it, because I can't spray my palm because you guys will be like, why are your palms orange, Kathrin? Actually, it does smell really nice right now, kind of cucumbery. But let's be frank. Let's just talk between you and I here just for a split second. Anybody who's ever fake tanned out there, a lot of them start off smelling really good, but it takes a turn, and you almost always end up smelling like a burnt Frito. If you've ever tried something where that wasn't the case, let us all know down below what you used that did not end up making you smell unusual. Next out, we have an Illamasqua Beyond Liquid Highlighter in OMG. That is what it looks like. It's a little fella. It is 2 mLs, and the paperwork says it is a liquid highlighter taking inspiration from the brand's infamous Beyond Highlighter Powder. This will give you a striking strobe-like glow. Mix it into your base makeup for a natural luminosity, or apply directly to high points of the face for a champagne glowy finish. I do sometimes put a drop of something like this in with my foundations. I can't apply cream highlighter after I've done my full face and put my powders on. I almost always find that it lifts my foundation. It was a tiny little, look, tiny little seal, so cute. Put a little bit, well, almost a little bit. It ended up being a lot of it. It's the liquid. I forgot I just did my GlossyBox, and isn't that blush gorgeous that's in my GlossyBox? I will link that at the end of this. But there's the highlighter. It looks like a color that would definitely, oh my goodness, look at the shine on that baby. It is right here. And it looks like a color that would definitely work for me in with my foundation. Oh, look at the shine. I'm blinding you, right? Sorry about that, guys. Didn't mean to blind you there. But look, even from back here, I can blind you. Ooh, it's like a stroke. This is a lot of shine in that tiny little bit that we put on. So I will definitely be trying this in with my foundations. So if next time I'm taping, I come up here looking a little bit like, you know, which one's the tall one? Or C3PO. C3PO? Pretend like you didn't see anything. Next out, we have a Lippie. It's Revlon. That is interesting. Oh, and you can see from the top, it's a pretty color. Look, we're cheating. That's a really pretty color. It's in rose wine. It even sounds like a pretty color. I was taking this off and thinking, I was gonna say, you know what? I can't even tell you the last time that I bought like a drugstore style Lippie, but that's not true because I've tried some of the Pixi by Petras. I have used the Burt's Bees. There are a lot of reasonably priced Lippies that I've liked. I have been wearing the heck out of this one, and you guys keep commenting on how pretty it is. It is the Ola Neon in Love Me. I think it came in my Ipsy last month. This color, just even when I'm not taping, I am wearing this color so much. I love it. We may put this over it though. That is what it looks like when we put it up. So pretty. Let's put a little bit on the back of my hand. Oh, that's nice. That is very pretty. That is perfect for me, and it's gonna be nice for now, but it's got enough brown in it that I think it will transition into fall really nicely. I'm just gonna put it over this pinkish color and we'll see how we like it. It definitely has, I don't know if you guys can tell already, it has more of a rust tone than the pink that I had on. The formula feels fantastic. It is slightly matte, but it feels very satiny. I like the color a lot. I may set this aside because it has a little bit of that brown in it. You guys know I got that awesome Fenty in my Ipsy Plus, and I think this Ola Neon came out of my last, must have been June, because I haven't done my July Ipsy bag. I just got it, I'm gonna do it in a little bit. Point being, I've been wearing a lot of pinks this summer, so in the fall, when I'm ready to add a little brown in, this feels really nice. And we've talked in the past, I would really rather wear a bullet lipstick and reapply it and have that soft satiny feel than put on a liquid lipstick that lasts all day but leaves me feeling too dry. I think I prefer the satiny look. Maybe it's because of my age. I think the last thing you want when you get a little older is to have dried lips, but that's just my preference. This says it is a creamy lipstick that adds a pop of natural color to your pout, infused with a liquid silk formula that seals in both pigment and softness for a lip that is long-lasting and doesn't crack or flake. It will be interesting to see how long-lasting this is. I don't know that it gets a fair shake since I put it over another Lippie, but I would love a long-lasting satin-feeling bullet lip. Okay, next out of the bag, we have a Grow Gorgeous Defense Anti-Pollution Leave-In Spray. And that is what that looks like. It is 2 fluid ounces, and this says a protective hair mist that shields your hair from heat damage, color fade, and external aggressors. Vegan friendly and formulated without parabens, sulfates, or silicones, it is especially great for greasy hair that is prone to product buildup. It has green tea extracts, sunflower extracts, and vitamin B5. It says to spray it onto towel, dried hair, comb through, and style as usual. Let's see what it smells like, because that's really all we can do. Oh, wow, that was a very, can you guys see? It has a very targeted, you'd have to be moving this when you did your hair. It has a very targeted spray, not a broad mist, but it smells nice. I can't identify it, almost like a perfume. It does have some fragrance if you're not a huge fan of fragrance. I like it. I would not mind. I always say this when I'm talking about hair things. I either would or I would not. I would not mind smelling this on my hair all day. Okay, well, I will give it a shot. I use heat protectants like crazy because as an everyday washer, and I probably blow dry half to 3/4 of the time in the summer. In the winter, I have to blow dry all the time because my hair is so fine that back here, it lays so straight and so flat that it won't dry. Unless I blow dry that, it just will absolutely, it will never dry. I would go from day to day with a damp scalp. Anyway, as a person who blow dries a lot, I have to use a heat spray. Last and most exciting for moi out of the box is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. And that is what that looks like. That is a good size. I think probably it's just a deluxe sample, but it is 0.6 US fluid ounces. Well, we're gonna, sealed. Of course, I just did that without reading the ingredients. You know what? That's my new devil may care attitude. There you go. Oh, it smells very nice. I like that a lot. What is it? It's just kind of clean and lotiony. I should say, cards on the table, I love Elemis. I mostly love the Pro Collagen line, but I have tried several of their other items and like them very much. Oh, I went away from that for a second, and when I went back, it has started drying down, and it feels like it's getting a little bit tacky, which is okay in a primer, you know, then that way you're getting some hold. But it also gave me, can you guys see the glow on my hand? It's drying down, but it's really got some glow. Did it say glow? I think it might have said, yeah, glow priming moisturizer. That would explain that. The paperwork says, want dewy, glowing skin? I really have to start paying more attention. Who doesn't? This Elemis Priming Moisturizer is here to give you the smooth, radiant complexion of your dreams, blended with nourishing ingredients that will also brighten your skin. Perfect for use as a daily moisturizer, a primer, or as a natural base. All right, so that is the Look Fantastic box for July 2021. Again, I will put my code down below in case you have any interest. When you go into reading this book further, it tells you a whole story about grapeseed oil, and then it has a double cleansing 101. So it's also a book with a really great information in it. This month we received the Star Skin VIP really cool mask that everybody who isn't allergic to licorice will absolutely love. The Cucumber Face and Body Tanning Mist. I really wish I would use it on my face, particularly my neck. I can't get enough makeup on my neck to make it match my face in the summer because I tend to get so warm, and I might be in a time in my life where periodically I break out into my own personal warmth. I can't have makeup on my neck right now. So I would love to work out how to tan in that strip. Something tells me you guys would get on here with me one day and I would be like, normal Kathy, Oompa Loompa Kathy. Just saying. Then we have the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer, the Illamasqua Beyond Liquid Highlighter, the Grow Gorgeous Defense Anti-Pollution Leave-In Spray, and the Revlon Lippie in Rose Wine. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you guys again really soon. Take care.